Hot press has 500 ton, 600 ton, 800 ton, 1000 ton, 1200 ton, 10 layer, 12 layers, 15 layers, 20 layers, etc. Cold press max opening can be 1800 millimeter. Pressure can be 400 ton, 500 ton, 600 ton. Glue spreader has 4 feet and 8 feet. Single side and double sides. Plywood veneer paving line can be 18 meter, 24 meter, 30 meter, 36 meter.
Hydraulic plywood hot press machine is one important machine for making plywood. It can be different pressure and layers with reasonably designed hydraulic system, anti-rust and alloyed casting cylinder, smooth and hard hot platant, machine heavy duty. Make sure pressing plywood balance and high efficiency. With high efficiency sales team offer 24-hour online service. The professional technical team and after-sales service team offer plant layout, machine drawings, and after-sales service. Will offer you the better and suitable machine, 2 years warranty, professional technical team at your service anytime, and hope that build a good and long-time cooperation.